Okay, this is Corsair from LX models. This is the version that the wings actually fold up. This is one of the aircraft that was in my storage for a long time, and I decided now that we have INAV to install INAV. The H743 will go right there where the bag is, and this airplane is gonna be fantastic, I think, flying with INAV at 6Ls. It's super detailed, so hopefully everything will go as planned. The P40 flew fantastic with INAV. It needs some tweaking, but other than that, it's fantastic. These are no airplanes that going to be for long range, which are capable, absolutely. But I will keep updating the build as I go. Okay, thanks.